Soar, meaning soar means to fly or rise high in the air. In a sentence, the eagle began to soar gracefully above the mountains. Soary, meaning sore refers to a painful or aching part of the body. In a sentence, after the long hike, her legs were sore. Comparison sentence. The athlete's spirits began to soar even though his muscles were sore from training. Meaning, stare means to look fixedly at someone or something for a long time, often with wide open eyes. Steer means to guide or control the direction of something, such as a vehicle. In a sentence, he couldn't help but stare at the stunning painting in the gallery. Here, stare refers to looking intently at something. She learned to steer the boat during her summer vacation. Here, steer refers to controlling the direction of the boat. Quick tip: stare, to look intently. Steer to guide or direct.
Meaning? Sheer means complete, utter, or very thin and transparent. Shear means to cut or remove, often referring to cutting hair, wool, or similar materials. In a sentence, the mountain rose with sheer cliffs, making it almost impossible to climb. Here, sheer means complete or steep. The farmer had to shear the sheep before summer. Here, shear means to cut wool. Quick tip: use shear for something complete or transparent, and shear for cutting or trimming.
Right. Meaning, right refers to something that is correct or the opposite of left. In a sentence, she made the right choice by following her instincts. Right. Meaning, right means to form letters, words, or symbols on a surface, typically using a pen or pencil. In a sentence, he decided to write a letter to his old friend. Comparison sentence: make sure you write the right address on the envelope before sending it. Meat. Meaning, meat refers to the edible flesh of animals, often used as food. In a sentence, he cooked a delicious steak using the freshest meat from the market. Meet. Meaning, meet means to come into contact with someone or something, usually for the first time or for a specific purpose. They planned to meet at the coffee shop to discuss the project. Comparison sentence: they decided to meet at the butcher shop to buy some fresh meat for dinner. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.